Hey, my friends, my beautiful soul family out there. How are you all? I'm doing really well. It is February 4th, 2021, and we are coming upon Valentine's Day, the energy and vibration of love. So we're probably seeing it already in the stores with the little sugary candies, stuff like that I'm staying away from. But with the energy of everything that's going on around us at this very now moment, it's a little hard to feel that love or evoke that love. But you know what? It makes it even more important to really ignite the love vibration within you, within me, within us. This is our power. This is love energy. It's frequency. Everything's energy. It's just something, if we don't already understand it, we'll come to understand, but you're an energy being, vibration. Everything around you is vibration. So when you listen to the news or hear somebody talking about some of the separation stories, the agenda of separation, less than, me against you, them against us, that kind of thing. We call that separation. Anything that keeps us from togetherness, unity consciousness. Well, you know what? Love is the elixir to bring that unity consciousness back on the planet. It's literally happening all over already. It's just a matter of where you look. So I wanted to share with you the most amazing tool. So this is going to be my gift to you today. It was a gift to me when I heard it the first time, but it's a little exercise or tool you can do when you are just like caught in your head or in this whole like, what does the world come to? Or, I can't deal with this anxiety anymore. Whatever it is, if it's low, heavy, negative, that's when your body reacts, right? So you're going to have that heavy feeling. But honestly, if you make that mind-body connection, your body's just really talking to you, telling you that at that moment, your mind is not on your path. It's somewhere negative, and why are you there? It's time to, turn the other cheek and look at something positive. Lift your vibration so that you can be more you. So, before I get off on a tangent, this little exercise I learned is you taking your power back, right? We all have the spark of the divine within us, right? Most of us believe that. There's a light within us. So if we look at it, okay, well, that's the creator coming through everybody, experiencing the earth, right? The spark is within us, and it's not meant to be held back. It's meant to flow freely. It's high vibration. Light is the energy of love. It's meant to flow. But when you're in your head and you got those thoughts of blah, 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 whatever, and it's just kind of consuming you, you can take charge. You can take control in the moment by talking to that divine part in you, right? It's kind of like you're in one of those moments where it's like, all right, God, source, I need you now. Well, if that part is really you, your higher self, your I am presence, your God, Goddess self, whatever you want to call it, that all-knowing part of you, the one that has the answers if only we'd listen. So, quick and easy. Ready? Here it goes. First thing you do is say, calling in your I am presence, or Goddess self, God, Goddess self, or higher self. I'm going to go with my I am presence. So, first thing you do is command your I am presence. So, I am presence. I command you to take these thoughts and place them in my heart. I command my I am presence to take these thoughts and place them in my heart. I am presence. Take these thoughts and place them in my heart. Yes, repeat it 3 times. That magic number 3. Those sacred numbers. Can you feel it already? It feels good. It feels soft. You're already feeling that vibration of love. And that is your true essence right here. And when you take those worrisome thoughts or confusions, or maybe you're trying to make a decision and you're having a hard time, what do I do? Which way do I go? Take these thoughts and place them in my heart. And breathe. Keep the flow. Don't hold your breath. Let your life force energy, your love vibration, and the oxygen flow and just feed everything. And trust the first thing you get from there. You can ask questions, your higher self, since you're in that spot. What is my next step? And then boom, first thing, because you're in the flow. Not after you pause and wait, because then ego mind tries to come back in there, So anyway, take those thoughts, place them in your heart. That's my gift for you today. All right, everyone, have a blessed day. Love and light and all that good stuff.